Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most important topic in workplace, hand safety. Before we begin, I did like to ask you a question. How many of you have ever seen a hand injury at workplace? Maybe it can be small, pinch point, or even serious injury. The truth is, most hand injuries are preventable, but they happen because people become familiar with the job, rush to finish the task, or fail to recognize the hazard. Our hands are one of the most valuable tools. Once they are injured, they can affect not only our work but also our daily lives. Today, we will discuss simple steps to keep our hands safe. The first rule is very simple: think before you touch anything. Before starting any job, take a few moments to identify hazard around you. Ask yourself a simple question: are there are any sharp edges? Are there are pinch points? Is there is any stored energy? Is the equipment is moving? And you can use a simple method which is called STAR method: stop, think, act, and review. Never let complacency control your action. Many experienced workers get injured because they think I have done this job hundreds of times. Experience is valuable, but overconfidence can be dangerous. 5 golden rule for hand safety. First one is plan the task. Understand what you are going to do before starting. The second one is isolate all energy source. Ensure logout tagout procedure is applied before started working on the equipment. The third one is use of right tools. Never use the wrong tool because it is nearby. The right tool make the job safer and easier. The fourth one is wearing the correct gloves. Gloves are the last line of defense, so wear it properly. Finally, keep your hand out of line of fire. Always think if something slip, break or move suddenly, where will my hand goes? Now let us see a little bit elaboration of that point which we have discussed before. Safe use of hand tools. Hand tools can also cause injury if not used correctly. Always select the right tools for the right job. Inspect it before use it properly, and keep it clean and well maintained. Never use the damaged tool. A damaged tool can fail unexpectedly and cause serious injury. Line of fire. The most serious hand injuries happen because hands are placed in the wrong position. We have to watch out for pinch point, crushing hazard, rotating equipment, stored energy, or moving machinery. Never place your hand where they could become trapped. Position your body so that if something moves unexpectedly, your hand remains safe. Choosing the right gloves. Not every gloves protects against every hazard. Different jobs require different types of gloves. For example, cut resistant gloves required for sharp materials, chemical resistant gloves when handling chemicals, heat resistant gloves for hard surface. Before using the gloves, inspect them for damage. Replace torn or worn out gloves. Remember that gloves reduce risk, but they do not eliminate the hazard. Learn from past incident. Every hand injury teaches something. Instead of blaming people, ask what happened, why it happened, how can we prevent it from happening again. We have to learn from the past incident, and we have to make sure that it should not be repeated again. Before I finished, I did like everyone to remember one simple message. Machine can be repaired, tools can be replaced, protection can be recovered, but hands are not replaceable. Let's all work safely and make sure everyone goes home with the same 10 fingers they came with. Thank you.